JDU as well. यादव जी, अभी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आया है EC सोर्सेज के मुताबिक there are residents who are of Myanmar, of Bangladesh, who are found to be living in Bihar. So according to rules, do you think that they should be allowed to vote? Because this is exactly what the EC is trying to weed out.
See, first of all, I think this question should be asked from the ruling party. 20 years, now it's 20 years ruling Bihar. Modi Atish companion
Yes. Okay. All right. We'll come back to you in just a moment. There seem to be technical issues. I'm not able to hear you. I'll come back to you. Neeraj Kumar of the JDU is also with us. Neeraj Kumar ji, abhi jo information aaya hai EC sources ki taraf se, while the survey was being conducted, there are many who are found to be non-residents, who are found to be from outside the country, from the bordering areas, who are living here. This comes at a time when the opposition has been raising questions on the EC.
सबसे पहले तो अभी सोर्सेज के हवाले कहा गया है अभी, और ये मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है, इलेक्टोरल रोल का मामला, और इसका कोई रिलीजन के आधार पर नहीं व्याख्या हो सकती है कि एक समूह जो रिलीजन के आधार पर करता है। तो मैं आपको उदाहरण के तौर पर बता रहा हूँ, शेखपुरा, यहाँ पर 118% आधार कार्ड बना और वहाँ मुसलमान मात्र 5.92%। और आपने भी पहले कहा इंट्रो में, आपने सीधे तौर पर कहा कि नेपाल के हो, म्यांमार के हो, बांग्लादेश के हो, तो ये विदेश के नागरिक हैं। देश के अंदर सिटीजन का रूल बना हुआ है, सिटीजनशिप का रूल बना हुआ है, इसलिए सारा ऑब्जर्वेशन आने दीजिए। उसके बाद जो भी देश के अंदर कानून बना हुआ है, इस देश की नागरिकता के लिए कानून है ना, ऐसा तो नहीं कि जो मर्जी हो जाएगा आ जाएगा और उसको रहने दिया जाएगा। तो देश के अंदर में जो कानून बने हुए हैं उसका अनुपालन होगा।
Okay, all right. Neeraj Kumar ji, dhanyawad. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast. If they are citizens from outside the country, if they are Videsh ke Nagrik, how is it that they should be allowed to vote? And that's the moot reason why the Election Commission is carrying out this exercise. That's the clarification that has come in from the JDU as well, saying the opposition should also wait for the Election Commission to complete the process. The matter is already in the Supreme Court. In fact, the BJP has also hit out at the doubters while asking if the opposition now stands for Rohingyas to even vote in the country. Listen in.
See, right from the beginning of this SIR, every political party, I repeat, every political party, including RJD, Congress, SP, BJP, we all knew that this SIR is going to come up with not hundreds of thousands, but in lakhs. Name of those people who are just registered in the electoral rolls and they are claiming all the facility of Government of India and Government of Bihar, but they are residents of either Nepal, Bangladesh or Myanmar. I was surprised that opposition of this country is standing for Bangladeshis and Rohingyas. They are standing for Nepalis, but they are not standing for the fellow Indians.
ऐसी घटनाएं हुई हैं जिनसे स्पष्ट प्रमाणित हो जाता है कि बांग्लादेशियों को, रोहिंग्यास को और दूसरे अवैध घुसपैठियों को सिर्फ वोट बैंक की राजनीति के लिए नकली वोटर आई कार्ड बनवा के दिए गए। राजद और कांग्रेस को दिक्कत इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि अब इस SIR में पता चल गया है कि कौन सा बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिया है, कौन सा रोहिंग्या है और कौन सा अवैध नागरिक है जिसके पास नकली वोटर आई कार्ड है। लोकतंत्र के इस महापर्व के लिए जरूरी है कि इन नकली वोटरों को पहचाना जाए और इनको लोकतंत्र के इस महापर्व से बाहर किया जाए।
So an intensive revision involves a full, fresh preparation of the electoral rolls through house-to-house enumeration, something that the Election Commission is currently doing. Now, in this door-to-door survey of the Election Commission, it has been found that there are many people who are from Myanmar, from Nepal and Bangladesh who are living in the country, and they even have documents like the Aadhaar card. Now, EC sources have revealed this. Enumerators are visiting every household to record the eligible electors as of the qualifying date without any reference to the existing rolls. What the opposition has said is that this is going to disenfranchise many voters across Bihar. They've questioned the timing of it, saying the Bihar elections are due in a few months, and the Election Commission is suddenly taking taking up an exercise like this that could disenfranchise the voters. The opposition going on to say that EC is acting at the behest of the BJP. Now, political opposition and a lot of confusion coming in with Bihar going to polls and this being a pilot project, with the opposition saying that this is unacceptable, that the documents that have been given by the Election Commission in its list are not available with the majority of the voters. In fact, the issue also came up in the Supreme Court, but the top court has declined to restrain the Election Commission from going ahead with the special intensive revision of the electoral rolls. Now, Amit Malviya of the BJP has also responded after the details have come in on the Election Commission. Sources indicating on what is the situation on the ground. Remember, the Election Commission sources have revealed that on ground during the survey, what has been revealed is that there are residents from outside the country who even seem to have documents of the country, including the Aadhaar card. Now, Amit Malviya has taken to social media to say the voter list in Bihar has been found to include names of foreign citizens from countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar and Nepal. This is the revelation that came to light during the special intensive revision. RJD, Congress, leftists and their drum-beating journalists and YouTubers, NGOs and legal activists were continuously pressurizing to include such names. Now the truth is out, he says. We have reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
हो क्या रहा है? विदेशी नागरिक रहा है? नहीं, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं इशारा कुछ और है, इरादा कुछ और है. ऐसे नहीं चला करता. ड्राफ्ट रोल प्रिपरेशन से पूर्व ये प्लांटेड स्टोरीज नफरत के बीज बो रही है. इस कारोबार को ना बढ़ाएं.
So the opposition continues to raise questions. The opposition says that if there are non-residents in the country, then it raises even more questions. In fact, the opposition goes on to say then it is the centre that should answer if there are non-residents of the country who are in Bihar with these documents, including the Aadhaar cards. Now, the BJP has questioned the opposition, saying it was the opposition that was opposed to it. BJP's Pradeep Bhandari has also taken to social media and he says, as per media reports, Election Commission BLO has found many non-citizens in the earlier list in Bihar. The fate of Bihar will be decided with the residents of Bihar. NDA stands with Bihar's Asmita. RJD and Congress support illegal infiltrators for vote bank. Tariq Anwar is joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us. Tariq Anwar ji, Election Commission sources ने कहा है कि नेपाल, बांग्लादेश और म्यांमार से कई रेजिडेंट से कई नागरिक हैं जो बिहार में रह रहे हैं और उनके पास आधार कार्ड भी है, जिसके वजह से दिस ईसी रोल रिवीजन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ वुड यू रिस्पॉन्ड?
ऐसा है मैडम, ये इन्फिल्ट्रेशन तो आसमान से नहीं टपके होंगे. जो इन्फिल्ट्रेशन होता है वो बॉर्डर से होता है, सीमा से होता है. और सीमा जो देख रेख रखने का काम वो गृह मंत्रालय का है, अमित शाह जी का है. और फिर बिहार में जो सरकार है वो डबल इंजन की सरकार है. आखिर ये कैसे संभव हुआ, कैसे लोग आ गए? तो ये इसके लिए जिम्मेदार सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एज वेल एज स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है.
जी, so you're saying that the center is responsible. I just want to tell you कि बीजेपी ने ये कहा है कि अगर ये विदेशी नागरिक हैं, अगर वो बिहार में रह रहे हैं, तो क्या ऑपोजिशन को ये लगता है कि वो वोट भी कर सकते हैं? Are they in support of them voting in the election? Because the opposition is opposing the EC role revision.
ऐसा है कि ये सिर्फ जो एंटी बीजेपी वोट है उसको काटने के लिए एक साजिश है और कुछ भी नहीं.
Okay, all right. Tariq Anwar ji, thank you for joining us. The Congress party as well saying that it is the centre that must answer. The BJP though has said that the opposition must now answer on whether they want these illegal immigrants to vote, which is why they have been opposing the EC move.
मीडिया रिपोर्ट के अनुसार जो बिहार में एसआईआर एक्टिविटी चल रही है उसमें जो इलेक्शन कमीशन के बीएलओ है, जो ऑफिशियल्स है, उनको कई सारे ऐसे नाम मिले हैं वोटर लिस्ट में जो भारत देश के लोग नहीं हैं, जो विदेशी है, जो घुसपैठिए हैं, जो अलग अलग देश से अवैध रूप से बसे हुए हैं. इनको बसाने का जो खेल और इनको लाने का जो खेल वर्षों पहले हुआ, मोदी सरकार आने से पहले हुआ। उनको सारे आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स भी दिए गए। अब उनकी छटाई हो रही है, अब फिल्ट्रेशन हो रही है और संविधान के अनुसार केवल भारत के नागरिक को ही अधिकार मिलना चाहिए वोट का, ये तय किया जा रहा है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कोई स्टे नहीं लगाया इस एसआईआर एक्सरसाइज पर इस एसआईआर एक्सरसाइज पर किस प्रकार से परिवारवाद के दो नवाब फैला रहे थे झूठ बेहिसाब और डाल रहे थे ईसीआई पर दबाव, उनको मिला सुप्रीम कोर्ट से करारा जवाब और अब सामने आ गया कि
So the politics around it continues and we're keeping a track of that. That's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for watching.